Save infected.
Save the infected. Shoot cars to collect this. Oh, I got copper.
Okay, I'll shoot other cars. You collect copper.
Okay, I got some. Ow, what is that? Got special ammo. What is that? A copper. Oh, never.
Wala, we
Oh
can
yeah, I got something. I got a tire wheel.
put the things in the ano. And put the omega zombie. No zombie.
We're gonna zombie flesh. I knew zombie flesh.
This guy's copper leg.
I'm going somewhere, okay? Oh, I got a copper. Need something. I need it. Prepare yourself. The dungeon is released tonight.
I'll go to the dungeon.
Huh?
Collect the loot. Night is approaching. Take ammo. Go to base.
Mm.
Shooters. I got a gun.
I got a bandage. Rotten zombie flesh.
Okay, put it in the zombie flesh. I got a primary gun. Look, hunting rifle. We can choose what things to collect.
Yeah. Wait, my food? Uy, akala ko dapat may walang food.
Wala.
Stop!
Got some clothing.
Oh yeah, ipagkain natin. At least you got some food.
I'd eat it. We deserve a meal.
Yeah.
My turn. Okay, let's kill more zombies for more meal. Mara, save all the kids.
If there's kids.
Look at the map.
This is like 99 nights in
Ow!
What is this? Engine?
Mala zombie here.
Engine! Why I got an engine?
There's a zombie who died. I
Tired
killed him.
limb. Hey. And I got this.
Ew.
What is load lodges?
Well, I see a comment. Locate refugees and save them from zombies. I got a SWAT off. Do you want the SWAT off?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna locate a refugees and people. Take this
I
photo.
think I got some food.
Well, I need help.
Where are you?
In the refugees, you can find me by the
I think I need a map.
store. You can find me in the map. I'm in the map. I already created a map. There's so many zombies.
Coming to you.
You dropped so many food. Store.
Almost that. Ah! Help!
Mala. Kaya.
Ow!
Go to me.
I got a pop. Upper leg.
Mala, go to me.
Where are you?
Look in the map.
I already got.
You'll see another yung pares sa'yo. Check the map.
Coming to you. Ow.
Two zombies remaining.
Here?
Mala, you here?
Yeah?
The zombies are outside the map. The zombies are outside the map.
Bakit ka andyan sa beach?
Nandito ako. Wala ko dyan.
Oh, that's a replica.
Mala, go back. Run back. I have some food.
Me too.
Hell no.
I'm safe.
Mala, help me kill.
Help me, but
Kill him.
I'm killing zombies.
We can kill him for,
Rotten flesh, I got an armor. That's cool. Feel below on hunger.
Okay, flesh.
I deserve this. The machine is slow.
I put 8.
I put 4.
Oh my god, I'm hungry.
Stick.
No. Okay, Mal, I'm gonna go exploring.
Me too.
Mala, go. I'm gonna save the kid. Wait. Come here. Refugee. Wait lang. Locate lang yung refugee.
I'm gonna go get some scraps and food. Oh no, a police officer. Sorry, police officer, but I'm still there to get killed because. Yeah. Aray ko!
Okay, Mala. Try to collect shoot cars, cause we need shoot the cars.
I'm still getting some food. And some.
Mala, get some copper so we can expand them up.
I only got so much.
Copper. I rescue.
Core is out of.
Mala, what, Bella, wait.
Oh my gosh! The core is out of energy!
Military.
Protein.
Mala, oh no, Mala. You need to get like copper ASAP. I have copper. Okay. Well, let's kill the monster. And let's go get this loot.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Wait for him to come here again.
Collecting some food right now. It's
I'm hungry. I'm massive for this protein tonight. I'm low on hungry.
I'm hungry. Okay, we got a lot of food we deserve.
Which is deserved because I collect the camp.
One copper.
Mala, the horde is here.
Where?
Oh, Mala, this guy is gonna help us. He has a gun. Mala, go collect copper while the horde is not here.
Alright. I got.
I'll collect materials. Mala, go back.
I only collect one copper.
Put back, I don't care. We need this somewhere. Well, I accidentally eat.
Eat it while it's raw.
I accidentally eat it. There's one more there.
Get it.
Got him. Wall blueprint.
I got a barricade. Wait, look. I got a barricade.
Let me see. Sa tablet mo, huwag mo na i-place. Let me see your tablet. Oh, okay.
Okay, ilalagay ko dito ah.
Ay, wala na din. Someone message me for my Discord.
I mean, we deserve our food. We deserve.
Okay, I got some materials, some copper. Deposit more copper and deposit. These scrap walls. Malaga, I built some scrap walls for a vase.
Good. We gotta go get some food. I mean, we deserve the food, right?
Oh, well, I misplaced it. No.
Oh yeah, dito yung entrance natin, oh. Ito, oh.
Oh, yes. This is what I misplaced. Can we break it?
This?
No, this.
Okay.
I'm low on hunger.
Okay.
Well, I'll go collect more metal. I'm gonna save the. I'm gonna and collect some more metal and copper.
I'm collecting some food so we don't starve, obviously.
I'm gonna okay. We got a lot of food, so we can't worry about that yet. It's hard to build.
I'm collecting more metal.
Okay, we need more metal because I'm gonna collect some food.
Okay, I'm coming back. My bag is full. So full.
I'm gonna collect some metal.
How do I get it?
Thank
Let's go.
you, Mile. Okay, let me save the other one. I'm gonna save the other one next.
Just deposit 3 scraps and 1 flash. Collecting more. Whoa, go. Engine.
Ew.
I got a
Ew,
spiral.
ew, what's the spider looking monster?
Spider. That is basically a spider. Legular UV light. Hell no.
I'm trying to save the refugee.
Oh yeah, save the freaking thing.
I save it. I'm gonna save it. Mala, FAMAS. What is this? Do you want the FAMAS?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna pick it up. I have, you know what? You take the hunting rifle, because I don't need
What
it.
is your low of hunger, friend?
No, I'm good. Oh my
You got a
god.
lot in there.
I saved it. I have an Uzi. This is definitely gonna pick up. Okay, I'm retreating.
We're gonna die.
Dungeon starts. Okay, Mel, I'm gonna teleport to the dungeon. We're not gonna die. Okay, I'm here in the dungeon. Still have the rescue in my hands. Okay, Mala, take this. Mala, wait lang, take this. Take this hunting rifle, wait lang.
A copper?
The hunting rifle drop.
Whatever, I'm gonna die.
Take it, drop. Okay, take it. Gotta FAMAS. It's a better weapon. Mala, I forgot I'm low on food.
You forgot?
For desperate situations, I will do this. Mala, I'm desperate, okay?
Wait, I have Bundy.
Okay, Mala. Mala, do you have food? Do you have rotten?
No.
Please drop rotten.
It doesn't drop anything. You guys. Oh my gosh, find copper immediately.
Fast. Go.
I gotta go grab.
Store.
Need copper.
Mala, I have so much copper. Okay, Mala, I'm
I
hungry.
got
I'm
a
hungry.
rotten flash. Oh yeah, you gotta stop you on it.
Okay,
Ow.
I eat.
I'm on hunger. I got copper.
Okay. Mala, I got a secondary Uzi for you. Do you want an Uzi?
Yeah.
It's good. It's gooder than the pistol.
No, it's primary. Let's see what this hunter does. Dang, it does a lot of damage. And I got 2 coppers. Let's go. Ow, this attacked me.
Mala, you gotta go back.
Ano yan?
Go. Retreat to base. Mala, run. Retreat to base. Where are you shooting? What's that? Nothing.
And we need more food.
When I'm getting low on hunger, I'm building the base. So you gotta collect it.
Man, I'm gonna go get some food.
Other day.
Because we're really low. I told you to get some food on the other day.
I got the copper.
You didn't get the food.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay, let's go.
Stupid.
Okay, I'm gonna collect food now.
This is one shot.
Okay. Where you go if you change your mind?
Campsite. And there's a chest.
Well, if you change your mind, I have an Uzi there.
I got a rebel light action rifle.
Ah, pati. Let me see.
Right there.
Mela, mas magaling yung epic hunting natin mo. Mela, mas good yung epic hunting rifle mo.
Famas.
Yun yung akin.
It's very unfortunate we don't need this. Can I eat this?
Retreat.
What do you mean?
Yung monster,
You're in hunger.
yung monster na nakita mo, magko-come out of night yun. I'm out of energy. Well, I'm dying.
You're dying. I'm dying from hunger.
I am dying out of hunger. I'm gonna die.
Okay. Why, bro? Good thing I have a bandage.
Oh my god, it's so hard.
Why do you always die?
Why do I always die? Because I'm the man. I always do dumb stuff. Ito.
Aray! I'm out of energy.
Mela yun oh.
Oh, bug. Oh, bug, you get some food, Kuya. Oh my gosh, of course, spawning.
I lost my weapons.
Eating right now. Here, grab this.
What do you have? What? Grab what? You're gonna defend, not me. I am not. But you're gonna collect what is wrong. Yep, in the care. Gonna collect the food.
Can you lift me up?
No. Nag-go out ko gamit yung rock eh.
I got a uncommon chest. Let's see what I get. Silent pistol. Oh yeah, my silent pistol off.
Okay. Where?
Ow! Okay, I think I saw it.
Well, I gotta go. I'm eating.
That's why.
I'm eating.
You can just eat while buying.
Ako na AFK. Guys, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna eat. Be back. My list gonna still record. So, I'm gonna go AFK. For now, guys. AFK.
I got barricades.
Alright. Bye. AFK, guys.
Yes, bear. Kuya,
Oh,
the zombie syrup.
mag-build ko. No. You need more metal. We don't have metal, Mela. How am I supposed to build it up? We don't have metal. Collect gears. I can build the other gears. I'm eating, so you gotta collect because I'm eating. Na build. Why can you do yung ano? Ha?
Ah,
What do you do? Do you have 4 copper? Bubu. Ako yung bubu.
okay, I finally get this one.
I'm done. Oh, Myla? Sino mo? Money stop.
Money. Need some food.
Meron natin suppose yung... I'm done eating.
We'll go back to the
I'm done eating. I'm back. Here.
Oh man, your kid is stuck.
Kailangan damage.
He's a dummy. I'm low on hunger. We have some food.
Oh yeah, we have one.
Okay, I'm sitting it.
Pero merong copper tsaka ano.
Bro,
May maganda ko yan.
fine. I'm gonna hide.
Naman, tingnan. Store.
Bro, crap.
I'm gonna save a child.
I'm gonna get some food. You don't like food. Drop. Okay, wait.
I'm saving the child.
What the frick? Who is that? What is that? What is that? Ow, ow.
Wala nga saan ka?
Drop a scale. What do you mean a scale?
Wala ba yung at? Saan yung skill?
I die, bro.
Saan yung skill?
I think so.
Keep shooting him, keep firing him.
Ow. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Where's the skill?
I don't know. He dropped it somewhere. Let's go get some food.
Go try to find the skill.
Yeah. I'm low on hunger, kuya.
You!
Ow! 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 Ow!
Alright.
I just eaten zombie flesh.
Okay, in desperate situations, we gotta be this. So valid.
I am so.
Well, I'm getting chased by 10 trillion zombies.
Why there's a tower?
Well, I'm getting chased by 10 trillion zombies.
Oh, what is that? Ano yan? Ano yan? there's wings. Did
Um,
you just die again?
No. No. It was David. I finally didn't die.
Why every time though?
Check my tablet. I didn't die. Ha! Get trick, fool. Okay, I'm gonna actually die if they keep
Why?
coming.
Military man,
I'm gonna actually keep. I'm actually gonna die.
take ammo. I have ammo.
Wala, I need help.
I successfully equipped another bigger bag.
Ammo crate.
Your Twitch.
Wala, I need help killing these
Wait,
zombies.
I can get some 30 food.
Wala, I need help. These are zombies. Just look at me in the map. I'm trying to save
Kids.
the.
Alright, cool.
I'm gonna eat this because I'm desperate. Yum.
Wait, I'm gonna collect some 30 food. Because you
Oh, how did you face to the wall?
Wait, you swear. I swear, if you die, I'm out of energy. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry.
Wala, 8 out of 10. For desperate situations, we're gonna be desperate, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You better get some food, Kuya.
I have food.
Or else bye-bye, people.
Oh, I'm out of energy.
Why, bro?
Okay, let me. I glitched the game. Will I glitch the game?
What do you mean? Ow, ow, ow.
Well, I have no energy and I'm not taking any damage.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna die, bro.
Well, I could do it. I'm dead. But I shoot the Pro Long Range. But I don't shoot. It's yours is loud, very loud. And I have a silencer, so they will not notice. Shoot him. It's only one. Never mind, Mala, never mind.
Ow.
There's still one more. Be quiet, very quiet. Dead. Dead. I would choose the rare one. Okay, I have finally a shotgun.
I got primary.
I finally got a shotgun.
Wait, I'm low at
I didn't glitch it.
Oh yeah, look, I got some food.
Eat! How did I?
Oh yeah, the one time.
I'm now gonna leave. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Goodbye. If you wanna see more or a part 2 of this game, like and subscribe.